Once upon a time, in a tiny village, there lived a cheerful little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known for his kind heart and his love for his friends. He had two best friends, a wise rabbit named Rosie and a playful bird named Benny. One sunny day, as the three friends played near a beautiful lake, they noticed a lonely frog sitting on a lily pad. The frog looked sad, and Sammy asked, "Hello, Mr. Frog, why do you seem so down?" The frog replied with a sigh, "Oh, Sammy, I've lost my way home. I'm not sure how to find my pond anymore." Sammy, Rosie, and Benny felt sorry for the frog and decided to help him. Together, they thought of a plan. Rosie suggested, "Why don't we climb up to the highest hill? From there, we can see the entire village and find the frog's pond." Excitedly, they set off on their journey. They climbed up the hill, holding hands and encouraging each other along the way. When they reached the top, they looked around, hoping to find a clue. Benny, with his sharp eyes, spotted a sparkling stream in the distance. He exclaimed, "Look, everyone! I see a stream. Maybe that's the way to the frog's pond." With newfound hope, the friends raced down the hill towards the stream. They hopped over rocks, waded through shallow waters, and walked through tall grass. Finally, they reached the end of the stream, and there it was, the frog's pond. The frog's eyes filled with tears of joy as he hopped into the familiar water. He turned to Sammy, Rosie, and Benny, and said, "Thank you, my dear friends. You've shown me the power of friendship and teamwork. I will always remember this adventure." The friends smiled and hugged each other tightly. They had not only helped the frog find his way but had also learned an important lesson. Sammy looked at Rosie and Benny and said, "We learned that when someone is feeling lost, it's important to lend a helping hand and work together. Friendship and kindness can make a big difference in someone's life." From that day on, Sammy, Rosie, Benny, and the frog became inseparable friends. They played, laughed, and helped each other in times of need. And their friendship grew stronger with each passing day. And so, the moral of the story, my little friend, is to always be kind and help others when they are lost or feeling down. Just like Sammy, Rosie, and Benny, you can make a difference in someone's life and create beautiful friendships that will last forever.